If you want to highlight your jewelry with top-notch photography, the GemLightBox is crucial to your business. It can be used with a professional-style camera or a smartphone to capture all the items you sell. Let's run through how to set up and use it. One of the biggest challenges that jewelers face is capturing studio-quality video and images of their products. Without the proper conditions, it is very difficult. That's where the GemLightBox comes in. It's the world's first lightbox that lets anyone capture studio-quality images and videos with nothing more than a smartphone. The GemLightBox comes with 4 accessories to help you photograph all of your jewelry items. The smartphone stand is used to hold your smartphone steady when photographing your jewelry. The angle of the smartphone stand is adjustable. To adjust, simply open the smartphone stand and place the legs into the angle you wish. The power adapter comes with 4 interchangeable international adapters and is compatible with 110 and 240 volts. This adapter allows you to connect your GemLightBox wherever your destination may be. Simply connect the adapter that is suitable to the power outlet in your country. You should hear a click sound once it's inserted properly. The photography table connects to the GemLightBox via the magnetic system and is suitable for 90% of your jewelry items. To set up the photography table, simply place the magnetic stand into the center of the GemLightBox, followed by the photography table, which is secured through the magnetic system. The necklace and earring stand is used to capture studs, dangles and drop-in rings, and necklaces. The magnet will hold the stand in place. For longer necklaces, you may find it easier to tape the excess length behind the stand so that your necklace stays in place. For best results, place the reflector vertically when using the necklace and earring stand. For larger pendants or thicker chains, we recommend placing the item on the photography table using the top shooting angle. The GemLightBox application has been created to capture perfect white background images inside the GemLightBox. To install the GemLightBox application, search for GemLightBox on the Apple App Store or Google Play and follow the download instructions. You can also use your native camera application or DSLR to capture photos and videos. However, you will need a GemLightBox app if you are using the turntable add-on. The GemLightBox allows you to shoot from 2 different angles. The first is the front shooting angle. This will be the main shooting angle for your jewelry products. Simply position your jewelry inside the GemLightBox and attach the reflector to the front. The second shooting angle is the top shooting angle. The angle will give you a bird's eye view of your jewelry. Remove the diamond piece from the lid and reveal the top shooting angle. Next, position your phone on the top and capture your shot. The top shooting angle works best with larger pieces and also with hand photography. The reflector can be attached either vertically or horizontally and serves 2 purposes. It offers flexibility in your front shooting angle, and second, it controls the reflections captured in your metals and gemstones. The reflections in your metals and gemstones will always look amazing no matter which way you attach the reflector. There are 2 light options with the GemLightBox: Sparkles and Daylight. Sparkles is a custom set of LED lights designed to bring additional sparkles and facets to your gemstones and diamonds. Sparkles is unique as it brings out the natural sparkles without damaging the nature of the stone. To activate Sparkles, click the Sparkles button on the left-hand side of the box. The second lighting option is Daylight. Daylight is designed to bring out a natural daylight environment inside the GemLightBox. This feature works best with rubies, emeralds, sapphires, opals, or any other stones that require sunlight to bring out certain colors. We also use it during hand photography as it significantly enhances the color tone of the skin. Get your GemLightBox today at Stuller.com/tools.